Halloween Critters by Jeremiah Morelli, Special Treatment version 3. For version 1, we start with auburn crystals that we have sprinkled on the orange areas. So this would be on the pumpkin together with the orange-red candle. And then for version 2, we have electric diamonds sprinkled in the background, right over here. This gives it a starry night sort of look. And then for version 3, we have yellow fireflies that we have placed on the flame of the candle, as well as on the yellow areas of the candle, together with the eyes of the creatures that we see in the pumpkin, and also that one over there hanging out behind the pumpkin. So simply replace the regular beads that you get for your painting with the yellow fireflies so that you get the glowing eyes look, which will glow in the dark when the lights are off. So once again, this is Jeremiah Morelli's or Halloween Critters, and this is with auburn crystals, electric diamonds, and yellow fireflies.